Understanding Aptitude Tests, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the concept of aptitude tests. These tests are quite common in various settings, from education to employment. So, let's dive in and understand what they really mean and how they impact our lives. Aptitude tests are designed to assess a person's ability to perform specific tasks or to react to a range of different situations. Unlike tests that measure what you've already learned, aptitude tests are meant to predict your future performance. They're often used by employers, schools, and other organizations to evaluate an individual's potential. There are several types of aptitude tests, each focusing on different abilities. Some common types include verbal reasoning, tests your ability to understand and process written information. Numerical reasoning, assesses how well you work with numbers, graphs, and charts. Abstract reasoning, evaluates your ability to understand complex concepts and identify patterns. Mechanical reasoning, focuses on your understanding of physical principles and mechanical concepts. Preparing for aptitude tests is crucial. Here are some tips. Practice regularly. Familiarize yourself with the types of questions you might face. Improve your weak areas. Identify and work on your weaknesses. Time management. Learn to manage your time efficiently during the test. Stay calm and focused. Stress can affect your performance, so try to stay relaxed. Aptitude tests are widely used in job recruitment and educational settings. Employers use them to find candidates best suited for a job, while educational institutions may use them for placement purposes or to identify students' strengths and weaknesses. I hope this video has helped you understand what aptitude tests are and how they play a significant role in various aspects of our lives. Remember, these tests are tools to help identify your potential in different areas. With preparation and practice, you can certainly excel in them. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in your future tests.